Baking soda transforms your home in minutes. Last Tuesday morning changed everything. Coffee spilled across my white shirt before an important meeting. My kitchen drain clogged completely, and a mysterious odor filled my refrigerator. Panic set in until I remembered the orange box sitting in my pantry. That humble container of baking soda became my lifesaver, solving 3 problems in under 10 minutes. Most people think baking soda only belongs in recipes. This white powder contains sodium bicarbonate, a natural alkaline compound. Its level of 9 makes it perfect for neutralizing acids and breaking down organic matter. Chemists have studied its properties for over a century. Here are 7 uses that shocked even me. First, instant stain removal from fabrics works like magic. Mix 3 tablespoons baking soda with 1 tablespoon water. Create a thick paste and apply directly to stains. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Grease, sweat, and food stains disappear completely. The science behind this process fascinates researchers. Baking soda's alkaline nature neutralizes acidic stains. It also absorbs oils and odors at the molecular level. Textile scientists recommend this method over harsh chemical cleaners. Your clothes last longer without fabric damage. Second use, revolutionized my bathroom cleaning routine. Sprinkle baking soda generously on bathtub surfaces. Spray with white vinegar and watch the fizzing reaction. This chemical reaction breaks down soap scum and mineral deposits. Scrub gently after 5 minutes for sparkling results. The vinegar baking soda reaction creates carbonic acid temporarily. This mild acid dissolves calcium buildup from hard water. The reaction also produces carbon dioxide bubbles that lift dirt particles. Chemistry professors often demonstrate this reaction in classrooms worldwide. Third application solved my clogged drain nightmare. Pour ½ cup baking soda down the drain. Follow with ½ cup white vinegar immediately. Cover drain opening with a cloth for 30 minutes. Flush with hot water to clear blockages completely. This method works through mechanical and chemical action. The reaction creates pressure that dislodges debris. Carbonic acid formation dissolves organic buildup. Plumbers recommend this technique before calling professionals. It saves hundreds in service fees. Fourth use, eliminated refrigerator odors permanently. Place an open box of baking soda inside. Change every 3 months for continuous freshness. Baking soda absorbs volatile organic compounds that create bad smells. Food scientists explain this process through absorption principles. Molecules with unpleasant odors stick to baking soda's surface. The alkaline environment neutralizes acidic smell compounds. This natural deodorizer works better than artificial air fresheners. It doesn't mask odors but eliminates them completely. Fifth application transformed my oral hygiene routine. Mix ½ teaspoon baking soda with water. Gargle for 30 seconds twice daily. This natural mouthwash balances mouth levels. Dental research shows it reduces harmful bacteria populations. Oral bacteria thrive in acidic environments. Baking soda creates alkaline conditions that inhibit bacterial growth. Studies published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry confirm these effects. Participants showed reduced plaque formation after 4 weeks. Sixth use, revolutionized my garden care completely. Dissolve 1 tablespoon baking soda in 1 gallon water. Spray on plant leaves affected by fungal diseases. This natural fungicide prevents powdery mildew and black spot. Agricultural scientists recommend this organic treatment method. Fungal spores cannot survive in alkaline conditions. Baking soda spray changes leaf surface levels. This creates an environment hostile to most plant diseases. Organic farmers use this technique to avoid chemical pesticides. Seventh application amazed my entire family. Add ½ cup baking soda to laundry loads. Clothes come out softer and brighter naturally. Baking soda neutralizes detergent residue and hard water minerals. Fabric softeners become unnecessary with this simple addition. Hard water contains calcium and magnesium ions. These minerals make fabrics feel stiff and look dull. Baking soda binds with these ions, preventing fabric damage. Textile manufacturers studied this process for improving commercial detergents. Safety considerations require careful attention always. Never mix baking soda with bleach or ammonia products. These combinations create toxic gases dangerous for breathing. Always test small areas before treating expensive items. Some delicate fabrics may react negatively. Pregnant women and people with high blood pressure should limit baking soda consumption. Excessive intake can disrupt electrolyte balance.